In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Tasks to Microsoft To Do efficiently and seamlessly using Zapier. This process will allow you to streamline your workflow by synchronizing your tasks across these two platforms. So, make sure you have a cup of coffee ready as we dive into this step-by-step guide. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and search for Zapier, an online automation tool that connects your favorite apps. Once you've found Zapier's website, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, creating a new account is quick and straightforward. Just follow the prompts they provide. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create a new Zap, which is Zapier's term for an automated workflow. On the Zapier dashboard, look for the option to create a new Zap. Click on that, and it will bring you to a page where you can set up this new automated interaction. For the trigger part of your Zap, you'll need to select Google Tasks as your trigger application. A trigger is what sets off your automated workflow. After selecting Google Tasks, you'll be given options for different triggers. Choose a specific trigger event, such as the creation of a new task. This will be the event that initiates the automation every time it occurs. To proceed, you must authenticate your Google Tasks account if you haven't already done so. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide the necessary permissions. Next, it's time to move to the Action application. Here, select Microsoft To Do. The Action app is where you want the result of your trigger to occur. You'll want to select an appropriate action, such as Create Task. Connecting your Microsoft To Do account is crucial at this stage, so ensure you follow any prompts to authenticate that account as well. Once your accounts are connected, the fun part begins, mapping the information. You need to ensure that the information from your Google Task coincides properly into Microsoft To Do. This includes filling in fields such as the task's title, additional notes, or any due dates you might have set. This step ensures all your transferred tasks have the correct details. Before we wrap up the process, it's essential to test the connection to ensure everything works as expected. Zapier provides a feature to test your newly created Zap, so use that to confirm your automation runs smoothly. Once satisfied with the test results, activate your Zap, and you're done. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully connected Google Tasks to Microsoft To Do. By automating this process, you've saved yourself valuable time and potentially reduced the risk of missing important tasks. Remember to revisit your Zap configuration if something doesn't work as planned, as small tweaks may occasionally be necessary. Happy task managing, and see you in the next video.